Now, joining us for the Full House for the holidays is Latin chef and cookbook author, the one, the only, Jose Garces.
Yeah!
Yes, we are so excited to have you here. It smells delicious, whatever's going on already. And you also have a new cookbook out, so tell us about the Latin Road Home.
Yeah, so the Latin Road Home is a travelogue, it's a memoir, it's a dedication to 5 Spanish-speaking countries: Cuba, Mexico, Ecuador, Peru, and Spain. And I just take you through a journey. These are places I've traveled to and have experienced the culture and cuisine, and I translated it onto a book. It was a 2-year effort.
Wow. Cool.
I think the best thing about travel is bringing it all together and making something out of it. So that's what you're here for. What are you making us today?
I'm making a stuffed pork loin, and it's filled with chorizo Bilbao, which is a Spanish sausage that's cured. And
what's Bilbao? What's that part?
Bilbao is the city, so it's inspired by Bilbao in Spain, but it has garlic, paprika, cumin, just really like nice spices, and it's cured perfectly.
All right, let's get started.
All right. So we're gonna start with a Nora chili and ancho chili marinade. So I have a couple of this is a Nora, and this
Never
is
seen this before.
Ancho chili, yeah.
I've seen ancho, but not the Nora. This is awesome.
It's got nice depth of flavor. And it's just, you know, one of my favorite chilies. It's not too hot, but just gives nice depth. So what we've done is toasted these guys up a little bit. We took the seeds out, destemmed them. You're gonna chop some rosemary and thyme for me, if you don't mind.
Okay, and where'd you get that pepper from? Is that one of your travel finds or one of the countries?
Yeah, so Nora chilies are from Spain and anchos are from Mexico. So
we're all over the place.
Both cuisines that I like to practice, and I'm gonna put the chilies right into the blender once they're toasted. I'm gonna add some chopped garlic in here, a little bit of honey, and
sweetness.
Yes, a little sweetness. I also like a good amount of black pepper in this marinade. All right, so you could throw those in pretty rough chopped.
Did I chopped just so they can get chopped?
Yes.
Oh, Iron Chef!
Jose, today's theme is all about cooking for a full house. How do you cook for a full house?
So full house for me usually means preparing ahead of time, really getting my menus and recipes kind of ahead, so that when our guests come, we can enjoy real time together, real family time or friend time. So it's really about planning for me.
All right, what's next?
So next we're gonna
hot water.
Hot water. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in here too.
How much?
2 cups of that hot water.
Oh, I'll just measure it then.
Yeah.
You need that because those dehydrated, you know, those chilies, those dried chilies. You need a little
Just spill it out.
That's okay. Why don't you
Good job, Sonny.
Go right into that.
I'm not good, okay?
So far, so good.
Yeah, no, the hot water is really what. Okay, that's good. Yeah, let's see how that works.
What is going on?
I have a microwave. That's why I make my hot water.
Microwave. That's risky.
All right. So that's gonna puree very nicely. You want to keep an eye on that?
Yep.
While that's working, I'm gonna bring the pork loin over.
What?
While that's working, I'm gonna bring this beautiful, fresh cut pork loin.
That is my jam.
Look at that white fat.
Now,
Great stuff.
just so everybody out there at home knows, the pork loin is different from the pork tenderloin. It's a wider cut of meat, and it's from the same area of the pig that pork chops come from.
Look at that.
That's right. Good job. Yeah, and so this is, I like this for holidays because it's, you know, it's dramatic. It's a roast, like what you would traditionally think of in a holiday meal. I have a boning knife here. Very simply, I'm gonna take my boning knife, I'm gonna create a hole on this side, and then I'm just gonna...
Are you gonna stick it in there?
We're gonna put it right in there.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that, a natural.
Yes.
How about that?
So that's in, and then we'll do the other side as well.
I'm in love.
Oh yeah, this
is fabulous.
We got pork on pork.
Well, it's better than cutting it open, butterflying it, and destroying it. You gotta tie it.
The infusing of the chorizo flavor is where it's at. This is awesome.
There'll be no dry pork chops here.
There you go. They won't be dry, and if you cook it perfectly, it should be nice and juicy. And so what I would do is, basically, let's pour the marinade over the top.
Here you go.
Oh.
Yeah.
God.
This is brilliant, man. You could do this with
Super
like
brilliant.
brats. You put the brat in the pork chop. You could put the 6-to-1 hot dog in there. I mean, I'm just thinking of everything.
The great thing
now.
about
This
that
is
is the inside, it's a salty chorizo, so it bastes from the inside out.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can marinate this for 20 minutes, but if you go overnight, you're really getting
You're
there.
really doing it.
All right, so
Into the oven.
into the oven.
What's the temperature?
Temperature is going to be 375 for about 40 minutes to an hour, depending on, you really want about a 140-degree internal temperature.
You probably got to make sure that you're not temping. If you do temp it, you're not temping the sausage. You know, make sure you get the thermometer in the pork.
That's right, get it in there.
Oh, no. That's a surprise. That's internet food right there. People go crazy.
So this is a little technique that I like to use. This is called a resting butter. So I take some of the leftover marinade and I put it in a food processor with butter. And then when it comes out of the oven, you just hit that just one more time. Baste it one more time.
It's the holidays, don't be shy.
That's it.
Do y'all see the chorizo bow hanging out?
It is. It's like came out for a sniff.
And then I also like to hit
It is. It's like a belly button.
a little lemon on there as well, just to like raise the acidity level.
Wow.
It's an outie. All right, so we're gonna slice.
Let's do it.
See what this guy looks like. Yeah.
Oh, dude.
I'm a big fan of electric knives.
Oh,
I've had them in my kitchens for years. I just like the nice clean cuts. You can obviously use a knife. We're, you know, as Iron Chefs, we use our knives all the time.
Stop looking down on him, Jeezy. The way you're looking at him, I can see it.
Are you kidding?
Just-
I have nothing but.
Did you see it?
Oh, no.
No, we can't use electric in the kitchen stadium. We can't.
Wow!
Nice. So we're gonna slice. So.
So is this your tradition at home?
Oh my
this
God,
particular
there's
one?
This is. Oh, this came out really nice.
Man.
Traditionally, what I do is on Christmas Eve we do a whole pork roast.
Yeah.
So in a cajachina, which is
Oh, yeah.
so brine, marinated, roasted whole pig, and then all the like.
Oh, look at it, guys. Look at the picture.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Well,
Quite a few.
I've got my fork and my butter knife, because I'm sure I'm only gonna need a butter knife to cut into this. I mean, I'm ready to go.
And this is the end cut right here. That's
I'll take
really
the
nice.
clip.
So this is called tamal en cazuela. It's basically like Cuban grits.
Is that in your cookbook too?
That's in the cookbook.
And
yes.
available on foodnetwork.com/the kitchen.
Cuban grits.
Cuban
Where's my
grits, yeah.
fork
So it
and
has
spoon?
whole corn,
Hominy.
hominy. It's basically white corn flour, the little butter, cream. So I'm gonna plate one up for you, Sonny, and everyone else.
I'm ready. Pine nuts? This is luxurious.
So a little of that.
This ain't your average pork chop. This is an Iron Chef pork chop.
That's right,
it. Thank
GZ.
you. Got that on there, and then
Man.
I made a little chimichurri as well, which is just a herb marinade, basically or herb finishing sauce, which will give it some acidity as well. And then a little bit
Hey,
of...
Jeff, stop staring at my plate.
I swear, I'm like
Legit, you're making love eyes to my plate.
I'm just thinking about
Back
what
off.
we can do together, me and that plate.
Oh, chef.
you
What a
Sonny.
lucky
What do you
girl
think?
you are.
So
Yeah, I'm gonna plate for you guys.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go in for that chorizo in the center, pull that joint out.
Came out pretty good.
Great.
Gee whiz, look at this. This is gonna be a big bite, sorry. But I wanna get it all. And I'll add some arugula for just edification.
This is the quietest I think we've ever been
I
on
know,
this
we're
set
all like,
of the kitchen. Usually we can't stop talking. Now, it's a good sign, man.
First of all, cooked perfectly. I pulled out that chorizo in the center. It has completely perfumed everything. Do you know what I mean?
Double egg.
The
like a
flavor
double yolk.
profile is crazy. This is delicious, and this is
Great.
definitely what you do for a full house.